church here at Excel, then we'd love you to come and join us for a coffee and cakes evening, which will be on Saturday the 9th of November, starting at 6 p.m. So we invite you to come along, get to know the leadership and the vision of Excel Church, and find out how you can serve here as well. Come and join us for coffee and cakes. Make sure you let us know so that we can get enough cake for you.
'Cause you've overcome, you're the God of victory. Yeah!
We'd love you to join us in supporting Operation Christmas Child this year by making up a shoebox gift. Your shoebox will go to a child in another country who may not receive any other gift this Christmas, and they'll also have the opportunity to hear the good news about Jesus too. There are pre-decorated shoeboxes available at the welcome desk, as well as leaflets that have all the information you need to help prepare your shoebox.
You are not afraid when the terror screaming loud at me.
AGM is going to be on Wednesday the 27th of November. That's at 7:30 p.m. and it's a requirement, if you're a partner here at church, that you get yourself down here if you possibly can. If you're not a partner here at Excel Church and you want to find out more about that, then you can pick up a form from the welcome team.
Your joy becomes a weapon, and I am here to fight. Yeah!
Over the Christmas season, we've got a whole range of Christmas activities to reach out to our community, and to make those happen, we need lots and lots of volunteers. So if you think you can help out in any way over the Christmas, please pick up a volunteer form from the welcome desk or speak to Dan to tell him how you can help out. That's everything for Excel News. Remember though, our kids and youth activities are back on after half term. We hope you have a lovely week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel News.